This is how you create the half double crochet. So we have already finished our foundation chain, and we will yarn over, insert the hook in the third loop from our hook, and grab the yarn and pull through. And now we have 3 loops on our hook. We will yarn over, grab the yarn, and pull through all 3 of them. So this is the first half double crochet. So yarn over, grab the yarn, 3 loops on your hook, grab the yarn again and pull through all 3 of them. Yarn over, insert the hook, 3 loops, and pull through all of them. Perfect, so this is the half double crochet. Thank you so much for watching.